Welcome. This is the RDT Extension accessory basic information and install video. The RDT extension increases the table's longitudinal length. Obviously, that allows longer work materials to be handled more effectively. It also employs a front leg that clamps into the saw's vise. This allows heavier materials to be handled without increasing the torque on the blade guide mechanism. While common sense must prevail, this allows the saw to cut much more substantial stock without biasing the blade excessively. Alright, let's install the table. Huh? The RDT extension can be mounted to the RDT on or off of the saw. The RDT extension uses all three nut fasteners and locks into the same position every time. The longitudinal leg position adjusts for different saws. However, before that, you should make sure the leg is not too long for your saw. The end can easily be cut off in your saw as you would cut a piece of flat bar stock. To adjust the leg, loosen the adjustment screws slightly and place the leg in the vise as you mount the extension, or the table extension pair, to the saw. Position the adjuster so that the leg is plumb to the saw's top surface. Tighten the screws. Your RDT extension is now adjusted to your saw. The extension can remain on your RDT if you prefer, but will need to be removed to attach other accessories.